What's up, guys? I figured I'd go ahead and start this video off of me firing up ShopTruck finally with a giveaway. Our friends over at JaxWax sent us this ultimate kit full of all of these products to keep your ride clean. We're gonna give it to one of you guys. So it comes with all those cleaners, different applicators, all kinds of microfiber towels, stuff like that. Everything you need to shine up your ride, all in this bucket. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to select one random comment in this video, and then that person is going to win this ultimate kit from JaxWax. So drop them comments, give us a like, and enjoy the video. What's up, guys? Finally time for a ShopTruck update here. Been waiting a little while for a couple key pieces that I really needed to make this thing run, and they're in. Rustler transmission for our lady finally showed back up. It's ready to go in. Got some upgrades ready for the turbo deal. Beefed it up just a little bit. Quick trans brake so I can, you know, leave on some fools. Yep. And to go in the Rustler for our lady, trying something a little new this year. Got a blue converter. It is a Neil Chance racing converter. I talked to Marty, the owner of Neil Chance Racing Converters, last year at Armageddon. Told him what I was wanting to do with my truck, and he has had a combo real similar to what ShopTruck is. Said he had something he wanted me to try, sent it out, boom, going in. I've got a carbon fiber drive shaft from Dynamic Driveline that I'll be putting in once I get this thing stabbed. Of course, the Bonafonte flex plate that I ran before. And also, I'm probably most excited about these. My new Bogarts. All gold, everything. I went with a D10 this time. I've always had eliminators. Changed it up this year. Decided to go with a D10, but wanted something a little different than what everybody else had. So we did all gold with some machined accents. Yeah, I think they turned out pretty sweet. Still got to trim up my bullhorn so it doesn't quite point at the body so much. But I'm getting there. Most everything in the engine bay is complete, like it's final assembled. All this right here is done. I don't need to touch it again besides running transmission cooler lines once the transmission's in. Like the wiring is 98% done. All I have left to do is put my new steering wheel on and run the wires for the trans brake, the bump button, and I can't remember if I did a nitrous button or a scramble button, one of those two. But anyways, super close. Oh yeah, I also did a have Bogart go ahead and powder coat the GMC emblem to match the wheels. Pretty close here. Today I'm going to go ahead, put the transmission in, put the drive shaft in, and then man, I think I can fill it up with water and start it.
Fire it up. Make it happen.
Finally. It's been down over a year, so I'm ready to get this thing going. So transmission's on the jack. I'm going to raise the truck up, stab it, and start tightening bolts, checking over everything, and then hopefully it starts up. So we'll see you in just a little bit. All right, so the Rustler is in. Just got to plug everything in. I got a this is a ground for the transmission harness that goes to the fuel tank. These little wires right here go to the speed sensor, and then the transmission's done. Bolt up the Neil Chance converter here to the flex plate. Find me some bolts here. I don't think I'm going to need a spacer. And then I'm going to throw in my new carbon fiber drive shaft. It's getting there. I'm going to be close to firing this thing up before I leave today. So, like, put the drive shaft in, converter bolts, get an oil filter on it, fill it up with oil. I've already got E85 in it. I'll turn the key on, check for leaks. Then I'm going to fire this thing up.
What was it?
So, I cheated and called Dave.
Oh, Dave knew something?
Well, no, I already had Louis tune his truck. I had everything right except one little button.
What was
Clicked it up on the number of teeth. I had it set at 24X, but then you have to go and click that it's 23.
Oh, so you still got the cam sync turned off?
No, it's on.
Oh, you turned it back on?
Yeah.
So that was everything, huh?
Yep.
Cool. It sound good?
It lives. This thing's been down for over a year now. Blew it up sometime in April in 2020. We were in a little shootout on the street. I was racing a Mustang that runs in a local 580 class here at the track. I peeled it up, as I normally do, knowing that I shouldn't have. And it was hauling ass until it didn't. And then you've probably seen the video. It went up in a big ball of fire. The truck itself didn't catch on fire. It was just the combustion escaping out from beneath the cylinder head and above the block. But anyways, I finally got to fire this thing up. The X-Power 402 cubic inch engine sounds great. Martin Smallwood is the one that spec'd the cam. I think it sounds pretty nasty. It's got a nice idle to it. I got a few water leaks to address. You know, I didn't do as good on my truck as I did the 55. You know, the 55 didn't leak at all. A few water leaks, no oil leaks though, so that's good. All my sensors are reading. It obviously has an air pocket in the cooling system right now. So I'm tired. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna let it sit overnight. Hopefully this thing burps itself. I'll come back, I'll put some more water in it, and then I'll probably put this thing together and we're gonna go drive it. So man, I'm excited. Like, I've been waiting for a long time to hear this thing. I definitely need to trim back the bullhorn. Right now that exhaust is like coming up and right into my window, and it's like I have a heater blowing on my face, except it's gonna make me die. So anyways, man, like I said, I'm super excited. I've still got a few things to button up. You know, it's not totally ready yet, but I am going to button up as much as I can tomorrow, and we're going to take this thing down the road. Transmission's good. It was full of fluid. So, I mean, that's really it. So I'll put the grill on it, and we'll take this thing down the road tomorrow. So stay tuned. All right, it's finally time. I'm on my maiden voyage with ShopTruck. Took it up to the car wash to clean off the year's worth of dirt that's on it, and now I'm driving it around trying to at least work on a drivability tune-up. I'm not gonna lie, I've stepped into it a little bit. It's gonna be fast, so right now I'm just kind of working on air fuel to drive it around. First impressions is I love it. It's everything I thought it would be so far. The bullhorn doesn't even bother me that bad. I don't know. I'm stoked to finally be driving it. It's been over a year since I've driven this thing, and man, it's just finally time. The Rossler shift's great. The Neil Chan's converter seems to perform top notch so far. Like I said, I have stepped into a little bit, you know, 2-3 pounds of boost, and it was sporty. So I'm going to put the camera down here, work on the drivability tune up a little more. I'll turn the camera back on when I get to the shop, show you how the truck looks as it's clean with these new badass gold Bogart wheels. So give me just a minute. So that's it. It finally runs. Got to drive it around a little bit, working on a tune-up a little bit. I need to kind of finish up hiding all the wiring again. I had a few issues that I had to get sorted out, so now I got to tuck it valve back up in there. You can see it there in the console. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I just need some time to really fine-tune everything. But the X-Power 402 seems to run pretty good. Hit 6.5 pounds of boost according to the data log. Felt pretty good. It's not completely finished. I still got to run the water lines for my air-to-water intercooler. You know, as you've seen, it's right there, and then the water box is back here. So still got to run the lines for that, and then eventually, when we got some time, probably take this thing over to Fuel Tech and let them do their thing whenever they got time also. So that's really all I got for now. I'm super excited that it finally runs and I can go out and drive it. I just got back from washing a year's worth of dust off of it, so the white is bright white again. And then the Bogart gold wheels just look sick. I love them. So thanks for watching. we're fixing to start MPK, so we head to the first race. We'll probably leave Wednesday, and won't be back until the following Monday. So those of you that are in the area, Hebron, no, not Hebron, Ohio, Newark, hopefully I'm saying that right, Ohio area, Columbus area, that's where we're going to be this coming week for No Prep Kings. The new car is put back together. The little small block is ready to go. The new spare small block is almost ready, so we'll have a you know, just in case some stuff happens. But that's where we're going to be. No Prep Kings is going to eat up a lot of our summer, so it's very possible that the content's going to slow down. As you can see, it already has a little bit because we were finishing up the 405 Street Outlaw show. It's tough to crank out content whenever everything we film is for the TV show. So that's that. You know the drill. If you haven't already, go ahead, click that subscribe button, share it with your buddies, have them subscribe, give us a like or a dislike on this video, comment, tell us what you like, what you don't like, and we'll see you on the next one.